So I'm gonna get on board Neha Agarwal, who adds a little twist to your normal Control Alt Delete. Who knew it could be something about jewelry? Let's get her on board.
Yes.
Hey,
Hi.
hi,
So,
finally.
so super stoked to have you on board today.
Thank you so much, Karishma. Thank you so much.
It's lovely. You're most welcome. And I'm wearing them, by the way. So for
Yeah,
those
I
of you
can
who
see
have just
them.
joined,
You're looking really
yes,
pretty.
thank you. I like yours too. If you could just push your hair and show me.
Yeah,
See,
yes,
guys,
sure.
that's what she does. And it's amazing.
Thank
Love
you,
it.
thank you. Thank you
Love
so much.
So, for those of you who have just joined in, let me tell you again that Neha has founded the small initiative called Alt a Little Twist. And she makes these earrings, handmade earrings, if I'm right. Yeah.
Yes, it's all hand
Handmade.
painted.
Yeah. So she
Yeah.
paints them and it's hand painted. And this is the beautiful lady, the Kudi Patata behind all this. How did you come up with this thing? What motivated you to start this initiative? And what was your idea?
So basically, I always wanted to do something of my own. And
Huh.
like 9 to 5 was like not my cup of tea, but still I was into 9 to 5 job. And then my friends used to be like, "You're so creative. Why are you into all this thing? Be your own boss, like, do your own, start like, creating stuff and all." Then I was like, "Yeah, okay." And then one fine day, I just called my husband and I was like, "I'm quitting." He's like, "Okay."
Huh.
And I was like, "Okay." I mean, like, that was it. Then I just quit
Wow.
my job and no hassle. Just sat on it, started brainstorming. And I came up with a
Hmm.
little. And I love colors and like folk art. Like, they inspire me a lot. So you see,
Yeah.
like, Thani miniature paintings or Madhubani, Kalamkari. So these are very like, old times, like, it
Yeah.
gives you some kind of push to do something more. So that's what
Yes.
my
Yeah.
inspiration is. And I was like, why not get that into like, form of earrings? And I'm always fascinated with earrings. So earrings is
Um,
something I always love to wear. And I used to keep, juggling up with my earrings, make my own earrings before going to an event. I used to create it for myself and wear them. So it used to be like,
right.
used to get a lot of compliments, like, "Oh, it's looking really nice." So that also gives you a little booster, like, you can go with
Yeah.
it. So like,
Yeah.
so earrings was like, best thing that I could get into. So basically, a little twist is like one women's show. So from
Yeah.
the base scratch design to the final
Wow.
product, to the content, to the like tag designing, everything is done like solely by one of my events. So there were this few ladies who came to my stall, and they were like 50 plus with all gray hair and lovely dress. So she was like, "Oh no, no, this is like for the youngsters. I can't wear this." So I was like, "Why don't you try wearing?" And you will not believe she wore the Frida Kahlo and she pulled off so amazingly. I mean, like till date,
Wow.
she tells me like, I mean, like this last year, the last time I again put it up at the same place. So her friend walked in and she was like, she remembers me by the face that, the earrings that I
Wow.
had. So it's like that, and it's not like only a certain age group can wear these kind of earrings. I mean to
Yes,
say,
that's a
it's
very important point. Yeah.
open, like it's in our thought, like we can't wear.
I spoke to
Mhm.
Mayura from Traffican and
Okay.
she told me about how necessary it is to preserve the art of India, the olden day
Yeah.
handicrafts. And do you think so as
Yes.
well? Do you think it's a relevant
Yes,
thing
of course.
in the
Of
youth?
course. So nowadays generation they don't know much about our ancient like art and culture. So we've still,
Yeah.
I would say, like, I've been fortunate that I have been exposed to that art and culture of that ancient time, and I've like like lived up to it because I have done fashion designing. So I went 5 years in fashion. So
And you
I've
have the
like
background.
gone through that history and like lived that era like 60s and 70s. So like it actually like it's necessary to save. I would say like colors are like the best therapy. It actually
Mm.
is colors are used for therapies. So if you are into art or something like that, now that you are staying at home, you just pick up a paper or a canvas if you have it at home, take your brush, color, and just go. I would say, like, people are doing work from home. I would say, let's art from home. E-commerce, like online, connects you more with the clients than like a shop basis, I would feel. In
Yeah.
e-com and everything, what happens, you interact with them. They share their images, and they share their stories. It's going to be like Amazon, LB, and Instagram. So platforms are very good nowadays, because you don't have much time to go out there and see it for yourself. Online is something you just sit on your bed, just scroll it, order it, it's
Yeah.
at your door. I would say, firstly, you should choose the right product that you want to get into the market, and
Yeah.
it should be like, because that matters a lot. Because
Hmm.
randomly you just can't get up and, you'll be like, okay, I want to sell this, but you need to know
Yeah.
the market also, will it sell or not? So the product matters a lot. So
Yeah.
that's one thing I suggest, you should have a really strong product in your mind, and you should be very confident also.
Yes.
Confidence is
Yeah.
something, it is very much required to do something, come up in the market, being a woman, a housewife, mother, everything, to run the house also, to run your business also. So you need to have that confidence, and you don't need to be dependent on anyone. You have to be self-dependent, and you should also be open and positive to the feedback that you get. That is very
Very
important.
true.
It
Yeah.
helps you grow. So my three personal favorites. So the very first design that I had created is one of my favorites. That's Krishna Radha. Let me show you that.
Which one was
So
that?
this is my favorite
Oh,
pair of
wow.
earrings.
Yeah.
This is Krishna Radha. It's inspired from the Madhubani art. So that's what a
Okay.
twist is, the color combination and everything. So I gave a twist to it. So that's my
Yes.
favorite. Then one is Frida Kahlo. That's again one of my
That's
favorite.
also an amazing one. Yeah. Love
And
the colors. Yeah.
yeah,
Blue and bright.
the one which you love.
I am waiting to wear this one. इसलिए मैंने आज भी नहीं पहना है क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही नहीं flaunt करना वो मैं selectively flaunt करूंगी. Please go and follow at alt, and I'm gonna put in the details and everything, and you must go and buy some from this beautiful lady. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Karishma. Love you.
Love you. Can't wait to do something. Bye.